exposing the secret life of snores. You won't believe how loud they can get. By the time you hit 60, there's a good chance you'll join the snore squad. 60% of men and 40% of women do. But did you know a snore can be louder than a vacuum cleaner? On average, snores are around 60 decibels, like normal conversation. But some snores hit over 80 decibels. That's like having a pneumatic drill breaking up concrete next to your ear. And noise levels over 85 decibels? Yeah, those are considered hazardous to your hearing. So next time someone keeps you up with their snoring, just remember, you're basically sleeping next to a construction site. Follow for more odd facts about things you never knew you needed to know.